Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to revise Unit 1.4 Be Smart. At the beginning of this lesson, warming up activity is given there, and in the warming up activity there is a wave about career factors. Career factors are given there. These career factors are very useful to choose a career for our future. So read the career factors carefully and discuss your friend about these career factors you regard as important. Second activity is given there, an acrostic. You learned in 8th standard how to create an acrostic. What is meant by an acrostic? An acrostic is a form of writing where the first letters in each of the lines from another word. For example, in your textbook, friend, the word friend is given there, and the acrostic of the friend is done by you. For example, friend, the first letter is faithful, second R means respectable, third I is inspiring, fourth encouraging, fifth letter is N for noble, and D for dependable. These are the acrostic of the word friend. In the same way, prepare on your own such acrostics for your dearest family member, name of your best friend, a quality or feeling, and any profession. And third activity is given there. Say whether the underlined words in the following sentences are used as a noun or verb or adjective. In each sentence there is one word which is underlined, and you have to say it is noun, verb or adjective. Identify the word and write in a bracket. Now look, be smart. In this lesson, before this we are going to learn this lesson. First of all, try to understand the meaning of this title, Be Smart. What is meant by be smart? Here smart, don't take the actual meaning of the word smart. But here smart means successful. Be successful. Yashasvi bha in the same. So, in this lesson, SMART goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. SMART goals are a specific rubric. What is mean by rubric? यशस्वी होण्यासाठी काही मार्गदर्शक सूची किंवा मार्गदर्शक सूत्र दिलेली आहे. तर आपण जीवनामध्ये यशस्वी होण्यासाठी पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला गोल सेट करावा लागतो. तो गोल कसा असावा? तर फर्स्ट इज स्पेसिफिक, सेकंड इज मेजरेबल, थर्ड वन इज अचीवेबल, फोर्थ इज रियलिस्टिक, and last is time bound. In the same way, there are some another points are given there. For example, to become successful in our career, visions, wishes, intentions, and dreams are also valuable to reach towards our goal. In this lesson, it is very important lesson for our career. When we choose our career, these points are very helpful to us. So read the lesson carefully. All the points are very important after our SSC. But here English workshop. In the English workshop, first activity, The first is given the wave, and in the wave components of success. To complete the wave of writing components of success. Second is pick out the examples from the text that support each of the following texts. I think there are 5 sentences are given there, and find out the example that support the given line. Third one is complete the following sentences. There are 2 sentences are given. Complete half sentence is given there, and you have to complete the sentence. Then also there is one activity. Read this quote. Quote is given there. If we don't put anything in, we can't anything out. Guess the meaning. Try to guess the meaning and discuss in pairs and find similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. In our library there is one book, 1001 famous quotations. So read the book, and there are so many quotations are useful for the students. So use the book for refer. Then next activity is for drafting speech. How can I draft an impressive speech? You have to write speech writing in our activity sheet. So this is here is one web is given there. How can I draft an impressive speech? Use the questions or points to drafting a speech. Next activity is speech development, and in the speech development activity there are 3 parts were done by. One is content, second is speaking presentation, and third is useful phrases and vocabulary for speech development. 7th activity is do's and don'ts for delivering a speech. 2 examples are given there. When we deliver a speech, talk slowly and don't mumble. In the same way, emphasize keywords, don't look up or down when we deliver a speech. In the same way, you have to complete the table, do's and don'ts for delivering a speech. Next activity, you are going to participate in an inter-school elocution competition. The subject given to you is how to achieve success in life. Draft a speech to present it in a competition. How to achieve success in life. Next is project work is given there. You have given the points: specific area, measurable, achievable goal, realistic approach, and time-bound action. Use the points and complete the project work in your notebook. Also, there is one important part, that is language study. In language study, gerund is given there. When the ing form of the verb is used as a noun, it is known as gerund or verbal noun. For example, look, bark. Bark means in Marathi we call it bhunkane. But when we add ing, barking, and also barking dog, look here. Bark is a verb, first of all. Bark is verb. But when we add these letters ing, barking dog, that barking is become noun. So when we use as a noun, bark is actually a verb. But when we use ing form of the verb and use it as a noun, it is known as gerund or verbal noun. For example, also the fighting went on. Fight means to quarrel, but here the fight we have add ing and we make it the fighting went on. Here the fighting, the word becomes gerund or verbal noun. So it does a work of noun. Some examples are given in your textbook. Read the examples and find out the gerund or verbal nouns in the examples. Also, infinitives or infinitives are given there. What is mean by infinitive? And in the infinitive there are also finite verb and non-finite verb are given there. What is mean by finite and what is mean by non-finite? So read the page number 28 and 29 very carefully, and also classify the following words in their respective columns. Some words are given there. Tackle, trumpet, directly. In the same way, there are so many words are given there, and the words are classified in parts of speech, noun, adjective, adverb. The chart is given there. Classify the words. Also, changing word class activity is given there. Read the activity carefully and complete the activity. Thank you.